investment, or perfect downsizer. This address delivers attributes that you can afford, and it would suit the most discerning buyer. The property is single-level style with 3 bedrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen has crisp white cabinets and quality fittings. This home delights with its look and feel and represents excellent value because of location. It has security screens and doors, as well as a large modern laundry with ample storage. Add to that al fresco entertaining. Looking for a home that is close to everything important? Ideal as your first ever home. Did you enjoy the video? Want to learn more?